Okay, it wouldn't be a New Year's cake without the clock. So I have these cute little numbers, this little number and letter set. And there's similar ones at local craft stores I know you can get. So I thought it might be a little bit too much if I do all the numbers, 1, 2, 3, you know, might be a little much for this small area since they're kind of big. So I'm going to do 12, 3, 6, and 9. And then in between, I'm just going to do some little lines. Okay, a little bit of water on the back, as usual. And we need this to go right up there, right at the top. And this is going to be gold. We're going to paint this gold. We got 12 there. Okay. And of course the 9. Now since those are going to be gold, I thought the little ones in between, we could do those silver. So I rolled out the gray fondant. And this is actually an eye cutter. So I thought, let's see how this is in between. So we'd have one end. Okay. So do the rest of those and then we can do the hands. Okay, so the hands, I want them to be gold. So what I'm going to do is cut, basically they're both up at 12, so we only really need 1. And then I have the V here that I thought would make a nice arrow, so we would need 2 of those. Okay, I'm just going to place a little water at the bottom. Okay, so I'll take one of these arrows, right where that is, that mark, we can cover that up with the shorter hand. Okay, so then let me just take a bit of the gray, roll it into a ball, and put it right here in the center. Okay. A little water underneath it. Okay, there we go. All right, let me just pop this away, get the paint. Clean that up a little bit. And onto the gold. This is a good time, since I have the gold again, to go back over any of these dots if they had needed a second coat, since they're dry now. Okay. Great, now let me take this toothpick out and see how we're doing here. Okay, so far good, so good, but we'll still have to keep an eye on it. Alrighty.